Hello and welcome back to our video. Today we will talk about EPI registration for batteries. My name is Deepika and I will be guiding you through the process. EPR stands for Extended Producer Responsibility. It makes sure businesses are responsible for the impact of their product have on the environment when they make, import or sell them. Let's get started. So, what is battery EPR? EPR for batteries is a policy that makes producers, importers, and manufacturers responsible for managing waste like batteries through collection, recycling, and safe disposal to minimize environmental and health risks. This means businesses must handle their batteries from production through to end of life, assuring proper recycling and reducing the harmful impact of sustains found in batteries. Why EPR registration is necessary for batteries? EPR registration for batteries is mandatory as it contains material like lead and mercury. Proper management helps prevent environmental contamination and promote resource recovery. For all businesses involved with manufacturing, importing, or selling batteries, it is sure complies with the battery waste management rules, promotes recycle and sustainability, and help avoid fines and penalties. By registering, you will ensure smooth business operations and contribute to a cleaner environment. Let's have a look documents needed for API registration for batteries. To register for batteries, we need GST certificate or certificate of incorporation, PAN card of the company, details of authorized signatories with Aadhaar and PAN card, IEC if you are an importer, details of the types and quantities of batteries placed in the market by category, agreements or documents related to recycling and waste management partners. Having these papers ready make the registration process go much more smoothly. Let's understand how Falcon helps with the EPR registration for batteries. Falcon helps you with the entire EPR registration process for battery from start to finish. Our experts guide you through every step, prepare, submit all the required document on CPCB portal, and assist with post-registration requirements like reporting and annual compliance filing. We also help you obtain your official battery EPR certificate, making the whole experience smooth and hassle-free. Now, I'm going to show you how to do registration step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Type CPCB EPR registration into the search bar. On the portal's homepage, select Fresh Registration to begin. The online form will open here. On the registration form, first pick your applicant type, brand owner, producer or importer. Then fill in your company's legal and trade name. Select the type of business and company. Attach the required documents and choose your state, district and PIN code. If applicable, add your CIN number as well. Next, enter your company's PAN number. Type the name as it appears on the PAN and the father's name if required. Select or type your date of incorporation. After filling these details, click Validate to confirm the information. Now, fill in the authorized person's detail, enter their name, designation and mobile number. Leave the reserved number field blank as instructed. Next, provide the authorized person's PAN details. Type the PAN number, name and father's name. Then enter the date of birth. Click Validate to confirm the information. And that's it. After submitting your application, the CPCB will send a user ID and password to the email address you have registered. You can use these credentials to log in into the CPCB portal and check whether your registration has been successfully approved. We have already received the login detail, so we are now showing you the portal as a demo only. Our application is already completed and approved, so you can check and review its contents. In this portal, you will need to submit all the required documents, declare the amount of battery waste you handle, and provide the necessary details. Based on this information, you can make the required payment, and then your EPR certificate will be generated successfully. After approval, being executing your EPR action plan, submit your annual return in Form 1 detailing the quantity of battery waste collected and recycled, and keep record as per Form 2 for CPCB audits. Please ensure that information matches your official documents. Upload clear and legible copies for all required documents. And that's it. While following these steps ensures smooth registration, Falcon simplifies it further by handling everything for you from start to finish. Our experts make the process smooth and hassle-free. Contact us today and let Falcon assist you with complete support for EPI registration for battery. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And